So today we will see how to join new yarn or another color in our work. So take a yarn of different color. So I am joining this white yarn. Now take another needle. Now insert the right hand needle point into the first stitch from back loop. Now wind this new yarn over the right hand needle and draw this out. Now simply make a knot. Keep the first stitch a little tighter so that it will not lose the tension. Now you can start working with your new yarn. Just simply as we do with our normal yarn. I am working stockinette stitch, so insert the needle from front to back and knit it simply. We